Plural nouns.
Look at the dogs. Let's count them. 1 dog. 2 dogs. There are 2 dogs. And how many watches are there? 1 watch, 2 watches, 3 watches. There are 3 watches. And how many mice are there? 1 mouse, 2 mice, 3 mice. There are 3 mice. 1 dog, 1 watch, 1 mouse. These nouns are in the singular form. When we say singular, we mean one. But nouns have also got a plural form. 2 dogs, 3 watches, 3 mice. We use the plural form when we mean more than one. Let's learn how to form plurals. To make nouns plural, we usually add s to the end. 1 dog, 2 dogs. 1 door, 2 doors. 1 cap, 2 caps. 1 chair, 2 chairs.
Nouns that end in s, ss, ch, sh, or x are made plural by adding es. Bus, buses. Dress, dresses.
Brush, brushes.
Watch, watches. Fox, foxes. Sandwich, sandwiches.
When a noun ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies to the end of the word.
Baby, babies. Butterfly, butterflies. Strawberry, strawberries. Ferry, ferries. What if there is a vowel before the y? In that case, add s to form the plural. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Key, keys.
Boy, boys.
If a noun ends in o, you just add s to form the plural. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Hippo, hippos. But with some nouns that end in o, you add es to form the plural. Flamingo, flamingos. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. With some nouns that end in o, you can add either s or es to form the plural. A mango, mangoes. Mangoes. A zero, zeros. Zeros. Most nouns that end in fe are made plural by changing the f to v and adding s. Knife, knives. life, lives. Many nouns that end in F are made plural by changing the F to V and adding ES. Loaf, loaves. Leaf, leaves. But some nouns that end in F are made plural simply by adding S.
chef, chefs,
Roof, roofs. Some plural nouns don't follow the S rule. They don't end in S, ES, IES, or VES. Instead, the word changes form. Man, man, woman, women.
person, people,
Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Some plural nouns are the same as the singular noun. Reindeer, reindeer. Fish, fish. Sheep, salmon. Some nouns are always plural. Pants, scissors. Sandals,
binoculars,